Hi, friends. It's almost bedtime. Do you get sleepy at night? I do too. Tonight, let's follow a fun and cozy nighttime routine together. Are you ready to get comfy? Let's begin. First, we clean up our toys. Toys love to sleep in their special spots. Blocks go in the box, cars go on the shelf, and stuffed animals go in their basket. We pick up one, and then another. And soon the room looks nice and tidy. Great job, helper. Now it's bath time. Splash, splash. Warm water feels so good. We wash our hands, our arms, our legs, and our toes. Don't forget behind the ears. Rub, 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 rinse, rinse, rinse. All clean. Bath time helps us feel cozy and ready for sleep. Next, we brush our teeth. Grab your toothbrush and toothpaste. Squeeze a tiny bit on. Now brush, brush, brush. Brush the front teeth, the back teeth, and the little teeth way in the corners. Make tiny circles, just like that. Sparkly teeth help us smile big. Spit, rinse, and done. Time for pajamas. Soft, warm, and comfy. Maybe you have pajamas with stars, or animals, or your favorite colors. Slip on your top, pull up your bottoms, and give a little stretch. Ah, cozy. Now let's snuggle in for a story. Fluffy pillow? Check. Favorite blanket? Check. We open the book, turn the pages slowly, and listen to a gentle story. Stories help our bodies relax and help our minds feel calm. Time to turn off the lights and turn on a tiny nightlight. We close our eyes, take a deep breath. Good night, friends. Sleep tight. See you in the morning for a bright new day. Parents, want to make fun videos with your kids? Click the description link to get started today.